to make sure this is done now, so I can go from this project over to your next project. You see what I'm saying? So this project's not done, and I'm already getting started on the next project, right? So this is all things that, you know, psychology, right? You get people with psychology, you don't have to force them to do things, they just do it because they know
Well,
that, wait a minute, I need to get to
As you see, we're in the middle of a property tour. We already did the walkthrough. So what we're doing is we walked through. We showed them the different areas of the house that we had to upgrade, shared cost, and all that type of thing. So we were able to let people that have not been in the trade before understand and get a better knowledge on how we can help them achieve their dreams of becoming a fix and flipper or get into real estate and make a much better living than they are currently right now. And we do that through proper education in all areas that you really need to understand in order to grow in real estate. So anyway, we did do a really great property tour today. We had a lot of visitors. We are going to be doing these regularly. You will do this house before it's over, and so you get to see the beginning. Well, this is halfway through the project, and then you'll get to see the end project, and we'll be sharing the numbers and everything else. So in the near future, when we do our next walkthrough, you're going to really want to join us and learn more about what we do.